Hey people, today I'm doing a recap on my channel so far. So let's begin. I'm a small channel that started in November. I was a small channel starting in November. I wasn't expecting so many views and subscriptions. And at first, I didn't get that. And I was okay with it because I didn't expect. So the first video I ever made was a plush video. Jibanyan versus Orangey, which was really just a freaking cat toy. I just decided to create a character out of that because it looked cool, and I thought I could use it. And after that, I started making stop-motion videos. And then people started to tune in and actually watch it. And then from then, I only had like one or two subscribers when I first started. Then I climbed my way up to 4 subscribers, which still isn't that much. But after that, I managed to get 5 subscribers almost a month later. And then I started getting the hint that people wanted stop motion videos. But then I wanted to do a LOL series. You know those things where it's like Super Smash Brothers, but it's actually not Super Smash Brothers, and people take inspirations from a character that isn't in Smash Brothers and turns it into a character in Smash Brothers. Well, with stop motion and that idea, I combined the two. And at first, it didn't really have many views. Alright, let's fast forward almost about 3 weeks later from then. I started realizing that I'd gotten a couple of subscribers each month. Sorry about that. So I was pretty pleased with that. Then I realized I started to get a ton of a ton of views from people. And then I even realized I got a few likes every now and then. That was pretty special to me because almost nobody likes my videos. Like they may enjoy it, but they don't actually leave a like. So yeah. Then let us again fast forward. I then realized by the time I got to December that my Plain Rock 124 moveset video had gained almost up to 30 views. And that was amazing. Honestly, it was. Thank you. So, and that was my most viewed video. Then the other ones only had around 8 to 12 views, and that wasn't as good. I mean, it was good for me, but it wasn't as amazing as Playing Rock 124's moveset video. And then from then on into 2018, my first video had gained 40 I had gained 5 subscribers. I did that about February of this year, and I did a celebration, 2 celebrations. Nah, just one. One of the celebrations, the celebration was my PikachuKirby1221 moveset. That is my most recent LOL video to this day. The next character that's gonna be gonna get their moveset is DA Leafy. I'm still in the progress of making that video. So anyway, as the days went on, I started to realize, I'm saying that too much, aren't I? Anyway, I did start to realize the fact that I got more views more often. And that was pretty cool. Oh yeah, back in January I added I think back in January I added Eevee to the club. Anyway, there's going to be another new addition to the cast, Goomy. So you can expect him to come along the next Pikachu Kirby video. And now I have 8 subscribers, almost 10 until the next thing. And then yesterday I found out how to change thumbnails, or add a custom one. And I started going back and adding different thumbnails to all my videos. And then I started doing a ton of stuff on one of my videos earlier, and I found how to do some stuff, and I thought it was pretty cool. So, and now the first video that's gotten 40 views is my Playing Rock 124 video. I'm bragging on that video a lot. Anyway, but I only have 8 subscribers. And that video has 42 subscribers. 42 views. How can a video have subscribers, you idiot? So anyway, a few things I'm gonna do hold on. Anyway, that was the first video to get 40 subscribers. Anyway, so that means that $34 of the people who watched that video aren't subscribed to me. Now, I'm not saying, like, hey, you should be subscribed to me if you watched it. I'm not saying that. If they don't enjoy my content, then they don't have to, I won't force them to subscribe to me. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'll kill your family if you don't freaking subscribe to me. That's harsh. And I'm not that kind of person. I'm like, you need to subscribe to me. I'm like, hey man, I'm gonna show you my content. I just wanna get some feedback and stuff. Anyway, some things I'm gonna do in the future is that I'm going to Of course, number 1, pick up Matches Remastered all over again. If you're wondering, Matches Remastered is the series with the, thing like Jake Paul versus Big Smoke, and Jabonyan versus Orangey. You know, the ones that don't really have many views. Except for I haven't really checked on how many views they have. From the last time I checked, they didn't have very many views. My first video ever probably doesn't have many views. Anyway. Another thing I'm going to do is I've already put up a poll on one of my videos. PikachuKirby1221. I'll link to it at the end of the video. Anyway, so put a poll, and I'm gonna make a few other series other than Super Smash Bros, LOL, Hypernova, Pikachu Kirby, and Matches Remastered. I'm gonna do some more of those series. Oh yeah, and then there's series within a series, like Pikachu Kirby has a series within a series called Game Review. I started that about a few hours ago. Anyway, I am just an uploading machine today, and this is a long video, so I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you all for watching, if anybody did. And thank you for the support, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Also, I said I'd put a link in the end of the video, so I'm just gonna... Alright. See ya. Hey Kirby, what's our next idea gonna be? Gee, I don't know. How about you tell me? Oh, I've got it. What? Oh, okay. That sounds pretty